Cold and windy day. Lots of snow. The snow is so high. Catch me past my knee. Snowbanks. Stop sign. Look at the snow mountain. Wow. Making a right. Going this way. Just going for a stroll. Walk around the area. Show you what it's like after the snowstorm. So we have a major snowstorm all day Saturday. No, Saturday? Yeah, we have a snowstorm Saturday afternoon, and we had a snowstorm all day yesterday, Sunday. Look at the fire hydrant. It's buried. You have to come and clean it. Hi. It's not friendly. Some people are not friendly. You say hi to them, they look at you, but they don't even smile. But I know it's okay. Wow. They cleaned the section here. So far it's good. But when you walk in, it's sliding. Because it's slippery. Because they don't salt it. Even if they salt it still, it's still cold, so look, there's a little river, a little stream down there. But the roads are pretty good. The road is clean, but there's snow everywhere. Wow. And this trail here take you to, it's a little park. Take you back there to a little park. So it covered with snow. So guys, welcome back to my channel. You can check me out at Life with Kenny underscore capital G, where you can find me, where you can subscribe to my channel. That's the way you support me. Malton Greenway. Okay, so it's a gate that leads to the park. So in case of emergency, they close it. Close iron gate. Garbage bin, garbage and recycle bin. So guys, it's really windy. The wind is coming from the north. So if you hear me sifting and sifting, I hope you understand. You can hear the wind. I guess it is about -7 to 8. And overnight it will be about -13. That's the beer store. Yes, that's houses, an apartment building. Oh yeah, and it's cold. The wind is coming from the north, and I'm facing the north now, so it's right before me. Hi, how are you today? Good. Enjoy walking in the snow? Yeah, I'm just slippery going backward. And it's so cold and the wind, it's pushing me back. It's a cold day, eh? But yesterday was crazy. Yeah. I pick up your voice. You're from Africa?
Yeah,
What?
from Nigeria.
From Nigeria?
Yeah.
You want to say hi to Nigeria?
Yeah.
You're on YouTube. You
Yeah.
don't mind?
Okay.
I'm doing a video.
Okay.
I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, that's great.
And people watch me from all over the world.
Okay.
So they can see you.
Okay.
If you want to say hi to anybody
Okay.
in Nigeria,
Okay.
you can give them a shout out.
Okay. Hi. Are you doing now?
Yeah, it's
Hi,
yeah.
everybody in Nigeria. This is morning day.
I'm in Canada
I'm in Canada.
and it's cold
And it's so cold.
and it's family day.
This is today's family
Yeah,
day.
and your name is
My name is Toy.
Therese.
Toy,
Therese. Okay,
Yeah.
that's nice, Therese. Nice to see you.
Thank you.
My name is Ken,
Okay.
and you can find me at Life with Kenny
Okay.
underscore capital G.
Okay. All right. I will do
Yeah,
that.
right.
Bye.
If you have a phone, you can take picture of it.
Right.
Ken, it's Kenny. You get Life with Kenny
Okay.
underscore capital G.
Okay.
One word with a space.
Okay.
If you have your phone, you can take it.
Okay.
Okay, let me stop it. Wow, see what this look like, guys? It's really cold out here. Yeah, this is the way I dressed up because it's so cold. The sun is shining. It is so cold, so I have to dress really warm. Those guys driving around their car and making noise. Here, freezing out here. So I'm trying to stay warm. Look at the snow over to my left over there. So today it's family day and the places are closed. Sorry guys, I'm sniffing because my nose is runny because it's cold, very cold. The back of me here, behind me, is the mall, the parking lot. So this is a part of the mall as well. The mall is closed, but it's freezing out here. Really crazy cold. We'll walk across over the snowbanks so you can see what the snowbanks look like. So you see, I have to dress warmer. Put on my jacket and my hoodie, and my neck is covered. You see the parking lot? Snow everywhere. Look at the snowbank there. See the snowbank there? Look guys, look how tall it is. Look. Welcome to Toronto. Welcome to Toronto, Canada. Look at the snowbank. Wow. See? Very tall. You can see the mall over there. Look at the mall. Yeah. Welcome to Canada. Welcome to Toronto. Crazy. So walking facing the wind coming from the north, and it's really cold. Just as I said, it's about -7 to 8 right now. Let me blow my nose. It's so cold that sometimes you can't even feel your nose. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. Sorry. This is what it's like when you live in these countries in North America, Canada and the US, and other winter country in other parts of the world. where it is cold, my friend. But you know what? We still go about doing our business. Oh, the sun is shining. Very nice. Sunny and cold. Yesterday, as I said, we had snow all day Sunday. It was so bad. It was terrible. Very cold. Whole day. So this is how it goes. Wow. So I'm just walking and showing you what it's like. This particular area.
Board is closed today?
Yeah, it's closed today. Today is a holiday.
Oh, I just want to go to the laptop shop. Is any shop is open here?
No, no, no.
No?
Not until tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
My pleasure.
No
Have a good
problem.
day.
Where you from? India?
Really?
You're from India?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, I won't open until tomorrow. So today they are closed.
Okay.
Uh-huh. You want to say hi to anybody in India?
No,
I'm
I
no?
am sorry.
Okay, you're shy.
Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber, so I'm doing a YouTube video. Mhm. So normally I just walk around and do some videos. Yeah. Okay. Wow. A lot of people out today, even though the place is closed, but people still go about trying to go to coffee shops and there's a few places that might be open. So they go there and oh, this is a gym. So they go to the gym and have fun as well. Yay! Wow! Goodness and mercy. Windy, freezing temperature. Wow! Look at the pigeons. Okay. All right. Let me go back to here now. Okay. Switch over and see now. Wow! Look at the pigeons. The pigeons, they're cool. They bundle up with each other. Sometimes people come here and fed them. Look at them, they just buckle up and keep warm pigeons. Hello, pigeon guys. How is the pigeon guys doing today? Hi, pigeons. Wow, look at the pigeons. Look at the pigeons. Trying to keep warm. The snow bands. Okay, so let me walk across this way here. Ah, wow. Freezing. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy cold. Crazy cold. If you don't dress warm, you can't survive. You have to dress warm. And even though when you dress warm, it's like it's a challenge. So you just have to walk fast. Try to get back where it's warm. Yep. So this one hoping a giant tiger supermarket there pretty soon. As from what I heard, it's the bus station. The bus station. Lots of bus coming in. So I'm not taking the bus, but I'm just on a cross the way. On a cross and go the other way. Go outside. Sorry. So I walk here. It like a bomb and just come so strong. Now turning right. So it's kind of still coming from the north. And it's not so bad now because it's kind of coming to my left. And I'm going east. I'm walking east. Pedestrian crossing right here. So I can cross here. Okay. Snow, snow everywhere. Crazy. Huh. Crazy. Crazy place, man. Crazy place. Just walk and slide in the snow. Oh. The kids are playing in the snow over the park. It's a community park. Community park. Sorry. Wow.
I know.
Sorry. Look at the snow. It's white. Beautiful. And look down there, they play basketball. But they can't play the basketball there now because the kids are sliding down the snow. Woo! Wow. That's nice. Because it's snowing everywhere. Look at the school buses. A lot of school bus over there. Wow. Beautiful. The school bus. School bus over there. It's crazy. School buses. Snow trail. Wow. Oh, go tell it in the mountain. That's a school over there to my left. To my left. Beautiful. Amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. It's cool over here. Wow. It's amazing. It's crazy. Okay. All right. There you go. School buses. Look at the school buses. It's not like crazy. It's crazy. Wow. Look, snow. Like crazy. It's crazy. Man. So go tell the tender man. 10. So, man. It's a little better now because the snow is back, from the back section. Wow. Walking and sliding, slipping and sliding. It's crazy. It's crazy. A lot of snow. It's crazy out here. Canadian flag flying up there. Woo! Wow. There's a lot of snow on the ground, guys. So while walking and just sliding, let me just walk through here, through the community center to the library. You notice I can hardly talk because it's so cold that tends to like your speech change. That's the way it's cold. Yeah. But I just want to show you what it's like here in Canada in the winter season. Guys, thank you for always coming back to watch my channel. You can find me at Life with Kenny underscore capital G. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That's where you support me. And give the video a like. And remember to share, like, and to tell a friend. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me when you support me. Thank you so much. Guys, enough love and enough blessing to you all for always watching my video, for taking the time out to come back and to watch my channel. Okay, sunshine, sunshiny day. That's the community center parking lot. Snow everywhere. Everywhere is snow. Wow, the park over there, apartment building, park covered with snow. Ah, wow, it's the park. You can see the wind, or the wind just blowing the snow off the rooftop. Crazy. Holy Cross School over there, and Catholic Church over there. Wow, look. So see where I'm coming from? I go like that and come around. Now I'm going down this way. Look at the snow banks. All those houses covered with snow. So I'm gonna walk here, and go this way. There's a nice Jeep coming up, guys. Nice Jeep. Okay. Nice Jeep. Blessing, guys. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da.